Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get this look, so if you want to get ready with me, then just keep watching. So starting with my Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray, I'm just going to spray my face with this, and then going in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Matte Foundation. I'm just going to apply this with a flat foundation brush, and then I'll go in with my Real Technique sponge just to blend it all out. So moving on to brows, I'm using my Inglot Brow Liner Gel, and this is in number 16. So I'm just going to use that to outline my brows and also fill them in. I'm just brushing through my brows, and once I get to the inner part of my brows, I'm just going to use upward strokes just with a really light hand just to mimic natural hairs. So I'm setting my brows with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I really need to get a new one of these because this is like empty. So I'm just applying a little bit of concealer to my lids to prep for eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using my Tartelette in Bloom palette today, and going in with this light brown shade, I'm just going to apply this to my crease area just as a nice transition color. So I'm just applying that through my crease and just blending it out with a nice fluffy brush. Next, going in with this shade on the bottom row. It's kind of like a reddy toned brown. I really like this for just adding to the outer corner to give more definition. So next I'm going in with this dark color, and I'm just blending this on my lash line, and then I'm going to bring it up into my crease as well. So now going in with this cream shade, I'm just going to pack this on my lid just to brighten up the eye look. And yeah, I just really love the way this looks. I'm taking a fluffy brush and just making sure the edges are nice and blended. Next, going in with this shimmery champagne gold, and I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners and also applying a little bit to my brow bones. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Asia Wine Concealer, one of my favorites. I really need to repurchase this because I'm running really low. And of course, I'm going to be applying that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, between my brows, a little bit above my lip, and also on my chin. So I'm going to blend this out with the same damp sponge from Real Techniques. Concealer is my favorite thing. I love the way it just brings the whole look together. To set my concealer, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and I'm just going to be setting the areas that I applied concealer to. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder. For bronzer today, I'm using my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Again, one of my favorites, especially for just a natural daytime look. Well, not that this is really natural, but it's like a soft glam look. So I'm contouring my cheekbones and just all the usual areas. I'm going to go in with a bigger brush to contour around my forehead and like on my jawline, and just to help blend out the contour. So taking a smaller brush now, I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm using my Milani blush in Tea Rose, just a nice light pink blush. So I'm using this Milani Instant Glow powder, and it's number 03 Sun Glow. Such a pretty champagne gold highlighter. So I'm going to take these two light shades from the palette. I'm just going to mix them together and apply that onto my lash line. So I'm just curling my lashes, and for mascara I'm using this one from Max Factor. And I'm just applying that to my top and lower lashes. And the reason why I'm making that face is because I found my lashes, I was looking for them everywhere, and they were stuck to my cardigan. So yeah, that was fun. So I'm applying my lashes. These ones are from Model Rock. I will leave the style name down below, of course. Moving on to lips now, I'm applying my Strip Down lip liner from MAC. Favorite nude lip liner. If you watched my favorite nude products video, then you will know. And I'm gonna fill in my lips with the Ultra Matte Lip from Colourpop, and it's in the shade Midi. And this look is complete. So now we're gonna move on to the hair. So I'm grabbing my blow dryer and I'm just gonna be going over my hair really quickly, just blow drying, just mainly around the edges, just to give a bit more volume. Oh my god, how embarrassing. I had to have my little hair in the wind moment. This is 3-day-old hair and it just feels a little bit flat at this point, so instead of washing my hair, this is what I do. So we're going to keep blow drying the hair, and once it is all finished, I'm just going to part it. I usually like to part my hair down the center, but I actually parted it off to the side today. So here is the completed look, and now I'm going to show you my outfit. So this is Simba coming to say hello, and he's very cheeky, jumping up on the bed. Okay, so here is my outfit. My shoes are from Freelance Shoes and they're just nice clear heels. I love wearing these with pretty much any outfit. They go with anything. My jeans are from Zara and these are mum jeans. My bodysuit is from White Fox Boutique. My bag is also from Zara and my cardigan is from ASOS. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!